Hello and welcome to ADVERTISED. This is Jan Hermstad, and today I'm going to show you a 2007 Corvette 3LT in Le Mans blue exterior and a cashmere interior. This car has a glass top, 400 horsepower LS2, 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission and positive rear end. It does have the 3LT preferred equipment group. Beautiful car. Haven't seen a flaw on it yet, and I've been looking for it. Great looking car, nicely kept. Paint and interior is very, very nice. Clean headlight covers, clean wheels. Of course, it's got a clean Carfax. It's got roughly 34,800 miles. Nice condition glass top. Tires are near new, 9/32 seconds and 10/30 seconds. 91% remaining on the rear. So look from the back. And if you like this car, you should call me personally at 404-993-5964. And thank you for looking. Jan Hermstad at ADVERTISED.net.